Dear all, welcome back to my channel Pras Simplified. I am doing good. I hope you are doing good too. In the recent days, you would have all heard about the heated discussions on the removal of indexation by our Honorable Finance Minister and everyone's favorite Nirmala Sitharamanji. Today I am planning to go into such topic with detailed scenarios so that you will get a fair idea whether you can sell your property or not post the budget amendment. Please note this discussion is after the finance bill but before the Finance Act 2024. Without wasting any single minute, let's get into the slides. So as you all know, the budget date is 23rd July 2024. I am going to discuss about the scenarios of the properties sold in 2024. So if you are selling a property in 2024 and let us say your properties are purchased prior to 1st April 2021, if that is the case, what will be the scenario pre-budget 2024 and what will be the scenario post-budget 2024? So let us say sale price is 5 crore 23 lakh 20,000 and let's say cost of purchase which you would have purchased prior to 1st April 2001 would be 10 lakh. So as per the Income Tax Act, if your properties is purchased prior to 2001, you can take the inflated cost in such a way that it can be lesser than fair market value or the stamp duty value as on 1st April 2001. So let's say fair market value is 21 lakhs and stamp duty value is 20 lakhs. So the lower of these two will be 20 lakh. So this is the cost which will be eligible for you for claiming against the sale consideration. Now, since it is a property purchased prior to 1st April 2001, the indexation benefit is available. It is not removed away. That is why after indexation, your indexed cost of acquisition, that is the inflated cost of acquisition, comes to 72 lakh 60,000. Thereby, your taxable profit comes to 4 crore 50 lakh 60,000. That is 523 minus 72 lakh 60,000. So it will come to 450 60,000. Right? Now, the tax rate for this is 20%. Why? Because this is pre-budget. That will come up to 90 lakh 12,000. But let us say post-budget, what is the difference? Please note, post-budget, the calculations up till here remains the same because indexation you are getting pre-budget as well as indexation you are getting post-budget. Why? Because there is no change for the properties purchased prior to 1st April 2001. That is why up till taxable profit, the calculation remains the same. Now, what rate will be applied? That is the change involved in this case. That is post-budget 12.5% will be applicable, due to which the tax will come up to 56 lakh 32,500. Thereby, due to this budget amendment, we are getting a savings of 33 lakh 79,500. How 33 lakh 79,500? That is nothing but the difference between 90 lakh 12,000 minus 56 lakh 32,500. So if you are purchasing a property prior to 1st April 2001, that is definitely an advantage, or it will be beneficial for you to sell in 2024. So now I am taking a case where you are selling a property in 2024 itself, there is no doubt, but you have purchased the property after 1st April 2001. I have taken two scenarios. So let's first explore the scenario 1. Okay. So in scenario 1, let's say you purchased it on 1st May 2010. Okay. So sale price is same 5 crore 23 lakh 20,000. Cost of purchase, let's say it was 1 crore 96 lakh 20,000. Index cost of purchase, that is inflated cost, is 4 crore 26 lakh. Taxable profit is 96 lakh 72,000. Now I have considered inflated cost because it is pre-budget. If it was post-budget, you will not get the inflated cost. This is the change. You have to take the full cost of 1 lakh 96,000, 1 crore 96 lakh 20,000 itself. You will not get this inflated cost. Okay. But once you get the taxable profit, let's say the tax rate is 20% because it is pre-budget. But for post-budget, the tax rate will be 12.5%, due to which the tax effective for pre-budget will come up to 19 lakh 34,587. But post-budget, it has inflated to 40 lakh 87,500. Thereby, you are losing out almost 21,52,913. Thereby, in this scenario, when you're purchasing the property after 1st April 2001, you will be not benefited by the amendment. This way, the removal of indexation, though it is giving you 12.5% compared to 20%, though it is giving you a reduced rate of taxation, but still the indexation is not given to you, due to which your cost has fallen to that extent, and thereby you will be in a loss scenario. This was the scenario 1. Now for this example purpose, I have excluded the surcharge and cess. It is the base tax which I have taken into consideration. Let us say scenario 2. You are purchased on 1st May 2020. Okay, that is also after 1st April 2001 itself. Now why I have taken this scenario is, so how I have arranged the example, I will tell you. Okay, this, when I arrived at 5 crore 23 lakh 20,000, I had considered inflation rate of 9% over the years. Okay, but let us say if I take more than 9%, like the sale price I'm taking more than 9%, you are not sold at 9%, so something more than 9% if you are taking, so it might come to around 6 crore 50 lakhs. Okay, if that is the case, then yes, the budget will be beneficial for you. How? Let's get into the example. 6 crore 50 lakh is your sale price, pre-budget and post-budget. Cost of purchase, let's say, because I'm taking 2020 as an example, I'm taking the cost of purchase as 4 crore 14 lakh 20,000. Okay, and in the pre-budget, you are coming at a taxable profit of 1 crore 50 lakh 48,306. Tax rate will be 20%. Tax will be 30 lakh 9,661. But now let us take the post-budget. 6 crore 50 lakh is the same sale, but here again, because it is post-budget, you are not going to get the inflated cost. You will get only 4 crore 14 lakh 20,000, which is the actual cost. So taxable profit will be 2 crore 35 lakh 80,000. But yes, your tax rate will be 12.5%, and thereby the tax will come up to 2 lakh 95,080,000 into 12.5%, which is 29 lakh 47,500, and thereby post budget you are getting a savings of 62,161. So this is one of the scenario where you will be benefiting from the budget, because as you saw in scenario 1, you are at the loss position for the amendment, but in scenario 2, you are at a profitable position. But the bigger point over here is, have you ever sold a property over the inflation rate is the question. If yes, definitely it can give you some kind of benefit, but if not, then there is a problem. That is why this has been creating a very hardship to the taxpayers, and thereby there has been heated issues around it. So here I come to the end of my discussion. So that was about the comparative scenarios. I hope you would have got some insight after watching this video. If so, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.